What are the best ElevenLabs voices for classical storytelling? So I'm over here at the homepage. Let's go to text to speech. I already added some text here. Let's click on voice, then search for Simon Vance. Then pick this Simon, which says suitable for narration and providing information. Let's add to my voices. Let's generate. Let's listen.
Long ago, before things were the way they are now, something happened that changed everything.
Yeah, so this is the first voice, very good for narration slash storytelling. Now let's go to the second voice, click on voice, search for George Guidel or Guidel, first one. Click on that, let's add to my voices, and let's listen. Generate speech.
Long ago, before things were the way they are now, something happened that changed everything.
Yeah, so this is also a great voice. Now let me show you the third voice. Click on voice, search for Lara. One.
Mit natürlicher Ausdruckskraft verleiht Lara jedem Text Vertrauen und
Let's
Authentizität.
generate.
Long ago, before things were the way they are now, something happened that changed everything.
Yeah, this is the third one. Let's go to the... Okay, so let me show you the last voice. It's gonna be Nolan. This one, the narrator. Let's generate speech.
Long ago, before things were the way they are now, something happened that changed everything.
Yeah, so these are the 5 voices for classical storytelling and in ElevenLabs. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.